Happy birthday, teenage, shining in your own way. Every smile you give brightens up our day.
Happy birthday, Kunay. God bless and more blessings to come.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Tinay! Enjoy your day! God bless!
Happy 40th birthday, Tinay. More birthdays to come to you. And God bless. Sana makita kita yung buong Greenwich team sa batch nyo para maging masaya. Thank you. God bless.
Hello, Tinay. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best in life. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tinay. I hope happy ka this coming birthday mo. And sana friend pa rin tayo hanggang sa dulo ng walang hanggan. Yun lang. Take care and God bless. Happy birthday. See you soon.
Happy birthday po, Tinay! Happy birthday daw, Tinay!
Happy birthday, Tinay. I hope you're doing great. Wishing you all the best, good health, and a very happy birthday. May all of your heart's desire come true. And I hope you enjoy this day.
Hi, Tinay. Moy here. Grabe, sobrang ang lagi din nagkikita ay super miss our kwentuhan and the bonding. I hope that you're doing well. Sana healthy ka palagi. Happy birthday sa'yo, Tinay. I miss you.
Gusto lang kitang batiin ng happy birthday. Sana matupad lahat ng wish mo, and pag may problema ka, huwag ka mahiyang magsabi. Kung kayang makakatulong. And yun lang, sana magkita-kita na tayo. Miss ko na kayo. Smundo family and si Espren CJ, Axe Gang. Yun, enjoy your day. God bless you.
Hi, Tinay. Happiest birthday. God bless you and enjoy your day. Miss you.
Hi, Tinay. Happy 40th birthday. I wish you all the best. 40 ka na, pag-asawa ka na. Happy birthday. Hope you enjoy your day.
Happy birthday! Nakayis, bawal kami mag-ingay. 11 na. April 5 pa, wala pang birthday mo. Ang masasabi namin ay grateful kami sa iyong super sipag na attitude.
And super good ka rin sa aming magpipinsan at sa mga kapatid and sa lola.
And super bait na attitude towards the Smundo family. Tapos, may final message si Seno.
Final message, thank you for good take caring mo sa mga bata. Uy, chill bro, chill.
Go sa iyo.
And yun lang, enjoy your day. Dahil wala pa rin. He's emotional right now. Message.
Ang message ko sa'yo ay thank you for taking good care of me and the cousins while we were still bata pa. And just seeing us grow up. Tapos, right now, napatanda na namin. So like, you're, 14 na. 14! 14, sobrang bata po pa, tita. Sobrang ganda po.
Very sarcasm, but yeah, it's true.
Pero like, our final message is maraming thank you, maraming salamat. And happy birthday. I hope you
enjoy your day.
Yes, and have a blessed birthday this year. Because it's complete ulit. Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Tita Cheese. I love you. Happy birthday, Tita Cheese. Stay healthy.
Happy birthday, tita. 40 ka na. OMG, is this true? Naiiyak na ako. Hanggang ngayon wala ka. Charot. Anyways, more birthdays to come, Tita Chris. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita. Thank you so much sa simula day 1. Simula ng Cubao days pa tayo. The rest ka palagi sa akin. thank you so much. Hindi ko lagi ito sinasabi, pero I love you, sister. Bye. Love you. Happy birthday. 40 ka na, te. Magpatangkad ka na. Oh. Happy birthday, tita. I wish you a happy birthday. Thank you for taking care of Mama. Tito CJ. Tito J. Lolo. Lola. Okay. Kaming lahat.
Salamat dahil lagi mo kami nire-deliver ng chicken.
Nagluluto. Thank you so much and God bless.
God bless.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. O, sabihin mo.
Happy birthday, Tita Chris.
God bless.
Enjoy.
Hi, Tita Chris. Happy birthday. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo ay, good health, more blessings to come, and sana mahanap mo na yung opa mo. And, thank you for being the best tita sa amin, magtitisan. And thank you for bringing happiness sa buhay namin. Sarami. Happy birthday. 14 years old. Yes.
And happy birthday, Tita Chris. Happy 25th birthday. Ay, 40th na pala sabi ni Mama. Kasi every time na mag-birthday ka, inasyon ko lagi na 25th, 25 ka lang. Kasi mukha ka pa rin namang 25. Diba? Siguro, ewan ko dahil sa height, dahil sa mukha ka rin bata, or dahil single ka pa rin. Joke lang. Ayun, Tita, happy 40th birthday. Ayun. No, super thankful kami lahat dito ng mga pamangkin mo. Kasi syempre, meron kaming face sa buhay na inilagaan mo kami, no? Mula kay ate, sa akin, kay Yuan, hanggang sa mga mas bata ko sa aming pinsan, no? And patuloy ka pa rin na nag-aalaga and nag-care for us, even though na matanda na kami, no? Yung iba graduate na, si ate graduate na, ako pag-graduate na, no? Kami ni Yuan, malapit na graduate. And sa pag-graduate namin, syempre, you're part of that journey. Kaya we are so happy na nasa ganitong phase ka na rin ng buhay mo, titi na 40 ka na. And sana, no, ayun, you also find happiness in life. You found happiness in life kahit na kami lang kasama mo, no. Pero ayun, tita, sana in the near future, no, you get to spend life in a way you wanted. Yun lang naman for me. Thank you. Happy birthday, tita. Love you. Bye-bye, mama.
Hi everyone, this is your Kuya Michael. I would like to greet you a happy birthday. 40 ka na pala. So, dalaga ka na. Pwede ka na maglayas. But anyway, baby Chris, hindi ka na baby. Christina ka na. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo at sana bigyan mo ng oras ang iyong sarili. So, maraming salamat sa iyong pagbantay kay Mami at Daddy. At sana marami ka pang birthday na dumating. At see you soon. So, enjoy and I love you. Happy birthday.
Hi Tina, I'm wishing you a fantastic birthday. May your day be filled with laughter and joy. Happy birthday, Tina.